This video is an update to my previous sealed filament dry box video. I found a better way to keep filament dry for a very long time. In that video, I added some desiccant pouches to the dry box after drying the filament in a heated dryer. That was a bit of a mistake. Those pouches just don't work well enough. So, time to discard those and find a better solution. I found some great 3D prints online that can hold reusable desiccant beads, and those really work amazingly well. And they change color to show you when it's time to freshen them up. I also found solutions for the AMS. Keep watching to see the results. First, let's talk about the desiccant. I bought it pretty cheap, about $7 for about a pound. I ended up buying another pound later so I could rotate fresh and use the desiccant. The first print file is by Paul Niche, and I use that for the dry boxes. This low profile box prints very fast, and you fill it with desiccant beads and close it up, and it'll fit perfectly underneath the spool in the dry box. The next desiccant box was made by Phil Sue, and it goes on the bottom of the AMS. I already removed the original bamboo pouches, which are almost worthless. Remove the cover, print the boxes, fill them with desiccant, and reinstall everything. Now the last prints for the AMS, I'll be honest with you, I don't know who came up with it. There are so many variations of these online. Here's one of them. So here's what happens to the beads as they absorb moisture. The color changes. These shown here have not absorbed much moisture yet. As they do, they turn dark green. While you refresh these beads, fill the boxes with new fresh beads. You can see how fresh they look and how brightly orange colored they are. And here's how you refresh them. Simply stick them in the microwave on defrost for about 10 minutes. Watch what happens when they're done. They're like brand new.